Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, excellencies. It's to be my honor to be here again to introduce my country, Taiwan. Taiwan has known by its outstanding economic, technological, and democratic development, but you may not be aware how rich the natural and tourism resources it has. When 16th century, the first Portuguese, they sailed over Pacific Ocean. When they saw Taiwan, they cannot help and say, Isla Formosa. And Formosa means, well, that means the beautiful island. What a beautiful island. So Formosa was Taiwan's name, and it was known in the western part of the world. And so, because of this, we have offered diversified and various tourism program to our guests. Actually, every year we accommodate, that's pre-pandemic period, we have around 12 million inbound visitors. However, we have 17 outbound tourists. So for those tour operators, Taiwan is not just a good destination, but also a good market. And as yesterday, Mr. John Bruno mentioned, humanity is the crucial part of ecotourism. And actually, humanity is key factor of the whole tourism. And humanity is also our lifestyle. So we are going to show you a short video that let you see what we have and what we can offer. There's no sound.
Like a magic little tunnel. Wow. It's like a drum. Whoa! Suspension bridge!
Already there. 3,416.
Yes, let me see. It's not working. Okay. Okay, yeah. Just briefly let you know where Taiwan is. It's between China, Philippines, and Japan. The tiny island is around 36,000 square meters. It's equal to the size of Netherlands. And in the Pacific Ocean, and actually it's a volcanic island, so it has a great variety of the flora and fauna, as I mentioned yesterday. And what is the basic information for your reference? The best season is spring and autumn to Taiwan because it has the tropical and subtropical climate. So in summer it's quite humid. But of course, all the friends here, they may used to this, so you are also welcome to Taiwan in different season. And the whole island, you see there's a lot of variety of activities, natural activities, and sorry, I have to put it down. And we arranged a lot of cycling trade routes for the whole island. That's also now we are promoting the ecotourism, the main theme during this special period. And to Taiwan from Turkey, you have Turkish Airlines direct flight. However, you fly via Singapore, Emirates, or Thailand, or Hong Kong. It's all very convenient. And in Taiwan, if you want to travel there, what do you have? You have around the island, you have well-arranged the bus routes, even we have high-speed rail, and also the cycling, and also you can rent a car to go over the island. And, okay, the outdoors, well, as you can see, it's an island country surrounded by the ocean. We have the coast, and this side face the Pacific Ocean. The other side, you have the beautiful beaches, so you can have all kinds of outdoor activities. Oops, it's not okay. This year, we make it as a cycling tourism as the main thing. As I mentioned, the whole island, you have more than 1,800 cycling tracks. And it's not just for international guests, also the local people, we love this, and it's encouraged to do that. So all the local government also very helpful, make a great arrangement for all of these facilities. And if it's not for the countryside, where should I? Okay, here. In the city, it's an interesting design. We call it a recycle or cycle economy. Actually, the U-bike is really commonly used in the city. It's all well connected with the metro system and also the bus. When you are going to somewhere that you couldn't find mass transportation, simply use this one, and with the card, within 15 minutes is zero. And if it's an hour, it takes around $50. Yeah, so it's so convenient, and not just for international friends, our local people, we use it very often, and it's so convenient and very green. As you see, it's a whole island. We have a lot of arrangement for the cycling routes. And just one of the, if you wish to make it a wrong island, you have a lot of program to follow. And even we make events for this international challenges and cycling tournament. Okay, hiking. We have more than 268 mountains, the peak over 3,000 meters. So you can see we are surrounded by the mountains. And the small island is really, really populous because more than 50% of the land covered by the forest and also with the mountains. So it makes our areas really crowded, but we also have a great natural sceneries. And surfing is a new trend for our Western guests. Scuba diving, also, the island around, we have offshore islands. Also, you can see all of this. Okay, the round trip. Okay, this is show you some things because the time is running out. We have also the modern part of the scene. And for this, it was the world tallest building, but now it's world tallest green building. And, okay, that's, oh, it's very quick, okay. It's not working. Going back. Okay. The offshore, the eastern part of the Taiwan that shows the cliffs right face to the Pacific Ocean, and we have the other scene of different areas. And again, you can see this whole eastern part of Taiwan. Okay, it's very fast. Okay, well, it's very, okay, anyway, hospitality and friendly and welcoming locals. We have local people and some Aborigines. Okay, this just announced 3 days ago, announced by Time magazines. It choose maybe some of the ambassadors. You can find your own country if they pick this. It just announced the world greatest place for 2020, 100. They pick this one, and Taipei, which is our capital city, they make it a culture and quiet. It's very tranquil because now is a pandemic time. However, it's also part of the humanity we have mentioned, that you can really feel the essence of the culture and the culture of the people's daily life. I think the time is over, and well, I hope if the friends here would like to know more about Taiwan, simply you scan this QR code and you can really follow our social media accounts and you can see more beauty about Taiwan. At the end, when you see the video, you say 赞. That means bravo, excellent, I like it. It's like the Turkish çok güzel. So Taiwan 赞, and see you in Taiwan in the near future. Thank you.